Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the multiple stream king, Laderick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, good people? Listen, before I get started, I need you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, all right? So anytime I drop a video, you are the first to be notified. All right, so this video is long overdue. All right, I have a lot of people that have been hitting me up. All right, and I have literally haven't posted a video, all right, about MWR, all right, for maybe over a month now. Okay, the one video I did put up has got a lot of attention, got a lot of people intrigued, had people to join, had people to ask questions, and so I wanted to make this thing simple and plain. All right, so what I'm going to do, all right, real quick, this video is going to be short and sweet. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a live example of why I've chose MWR over myEcon, okay? So what I need you to do, all right, what I need you to do, all right, is sit tight, all right, and follow me outside.
Hey, man, shout out to my boy, Jeff, man. DJ and J Lawn Service, you come holler at him, man. Come take care of you, dog. Get your yard right, fresh edge. He even got his boys out here working with him. You know what I'm saying? Doing this thing, man. This kill a whole lot of time for me. You feel me? Give me time to do other stuff while I get my yard taken care of. DJ and J Lawn Services, Jeff Smith. Y'all hit him up, man. 469-733-6282. Boy, beast at what he do. And look, as you can see, y'all, don't get it twisted. I got my own lawnmower, weed eater, hedges, the whole nine. I got my own. Okay, let's don't get it twisted. But here's the thing, man. Let me go in the house real quick.
Hey, we back. All right, so listen, did that make sense? Okay, did that make sense? Did that open up your eyes? Listen, I have nothing against myEcon, okay? And I made a lot of money with myEcon, okay? But retention-wise, don't think it had anything to do with me. I've been building businesses online for us, joining network marketing companies and having people to join and coach and mentor people. And I've done a pretty good job with retaining my people. All right. This particular program, though, all right, because it's dealing with credit, people really want to be a product of the product. All right. And the thing is, a lot of people just haven't had the time to do it, myself included. Okay. With this one here, all I did with MWR is go ahead and follow 4 steps to get the credit on the road. Okay. Everyone that's joined, all they're doing, if they're focusing on the credit portion of this, which most are, all right, they're doing 4 steps. All right, you 4 simple steps in your back office, and the credit specialists are doing the heavy lifting for you. Everything. Okay, like I said, nothing against myEcon. Okay, this is just myEcon on steroids. I've seen videos where people are kind of like bashing myEcon things. I can't bash myEcon. Okay, I enjoyed the leadership over there. Mr. Ivan Stokes is a great individual. I met him a couple of times, man. And truly inspired just by listening to him talk and listening to his growth. All right, and just the knowledge that he has, man, it's amazing. Okay, my only deal was, all right, in business you have to make executive decisions. Okay, a lot of people who were on my team, all right, and there's just in myEcon in general, from the people I've talked to, the main reason people were leaving is just because they wanted to do the credit and didn't have time to do the credit. Some people say they didn't understand it. I mean, the videos are step by step, but it's a lot of different modules and videos to go through. All right, if this doesn't work, if this doesn't happen, then you go here. If you doesn't happen, you go here. You mail this, let you mail. A lot of people don't have the time to do that. Okay, and so you're trying to work on your credit, success, love, speed. You want to get this thing on the road as soon as possible because you may be trying to get that house within the next year or so. All right, you may be trying to get that car within the next 6 months, and you need your credit score to excuse me, so you need a certain amount of points, right, to get that credit score up. All right, to have a low interest rate. All right, to maybe have a no down payment. All right, or low payment or no down payment at all on that dream vehicle of yours. Credit plays a major part in that. All right, and we all know this, and so that was my reason why I say it's MWR over myEcon. All right, people pay for convenience. So let's take the cat out of the bag. I've heard a lot of people say on the affiliate end, well, it costs more than myEcon. Who's going to pay that more? Who's going to pay that much? All right, for a business, here's the thing, man. First of all, you got to understand that people pay for convenience. All right, and there's thousands of people joining MWR, so it definitely is not the price. But yes, myEcon is cheaper. All right, but who says cheaper is better? All right, this is not expensive at all. All right, we still talking about first of all, for the monthly membership. All right, it's still under $100. Okay, it's still under $100. But to join as an affiliate is a little bit more. All right, if you just want to become a customer, I got the customer link below. All right, it's under $100. You're good to go. All right, but if you're coming to come in as an affiliate, let's just keep it real. It's going to be $200. All right, 200 and some change to become an affiliate. All right, and then after that, you pay your monthly membership. All right, and then the cost to run the back office. Okay, simple and plain. Who says cheaper is better? People pay for convenience. myEcon is cheaper, but yet and still you have people who are quitting back to back to back to back to back. Now some people are struggling with building the business and they're quitting. Well, you're gonna have quitters in this industry and in this world. All right, they haven't tried, haven't done anything, haven't put a video out, haven't did anything to market themselves, and just feel like, oh, because I joined the business, I'm gonna make money. That's not how it works. That's not the real world. Okay, for those people, I do not sympathize for. All right, but for those who are trying, all right, to build your businesses, whatever it is, keep pushing, keep going, man. You're gonna get over the hump, but you gotta keep going. You gotta go through the trials and errors. If this is your first time making money online or trying to make money online, you're gonna have to build some rapport with your people. All right, you're gonna have to learn marketing. All right, you're gonna have to learn branding. All right, because I think that's the most significant part of making money online is you have to brand yourself. Okay, not the company. So many people get inside of these network marketing companies, MLM companies, and they become company mascots. What do I mean by that? If you go to their Facebook profile, if you go to their Instagram, all right, all you see is the company name all over the place. I don't market like that. I don't teach my team to market like that. I teach my team to brand themselves. All right, that piques people's interest and want to know what it is you're doing, what it is you're selling, what is that you're talking about. You don't want to put up a post, all right, and they know exactly, oh, you're talking about this, and then they go and do their research, and then they go join another leader. No, you want to position yourself as the leader, all right, and you want them to be able to ask you questions so you can give them that information, and then boom, they join your business. All right, and so that's what I teach, man. All right, but I hope this video was helpful for the people who have, hit me up via Facebook, all right, via email, all right, via YouTube. All right, I have definitely seen your questions. For the most part, I've answered everyone, I believe. If I've missed you, trust me, I'm a busy man. I do apologize. I send it again, but I'm pretty sure, 99.9% sure, I've responded to each and every one who's ever contacted me about the MWR. But like I said, this video was long overdue. I kept saying I was going to do it. And here it is. Just wanted to give you that live example. All right. I have I have my own tools. All right. I can cut my own yard. Right. You can do your own credit. Right. But if I could pay someone to do it for me, all right, and that allows me to do everything else I need to do. I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm multitasking. All right. Simple and plain. The choice is yours. All right. If you want to become an affiliate, the affiliate link is below to join this business. All right. This is an easy sale. Why? Because now you get to get behind the product, all right, that you are comfortable with, all right, that you are passionate about, because you're fixing your credit, right? You're fixing your credit, all right? You're getting an instant pay raise on your paycheck, okay? Simple and plain, all right? And if you just want to become a customer, boom, the customer link is below as well. Come in, become a customer, all right? You can still have your membership free as a customer by just referring 3 people. You don't get paid for it. You only get paid if you become an affiliate. All right, but you have to become an affiliate and a customer. I've had some people that joined me that just became an affiliate. I don't send you training or anything. Okay, you have to buy the entire package, which is like $228. That's just the initial investment to become an affiliate and become a customer. If you just become an affiliate, it's going to show me you joined, but it's going to show that you're unqualified in my back office. Okay, so be business owners, you guys. Be bosses. If you want to become an affiliate, all right, if you want to become part of the Paid in Full family and join the business and the Stop Playing movement, all right, $228 is the initial cost. That's nothing. All right, I just spent $500 last week on another little business venture that I'm doing that has nothing to do with network marketing or anything of that nature. Okay, so if you're going to be a boss man, you're going to have to take some risks. All right, if you want to make money online, you're going to have to take some risks. But $220, come on, man, that's nothing. That's nothing. And some people gonna be out here, well, it's nothing to you. Man, I got 6 kids. I'm married with 6 kids. All right, my wife doesn't have a job. All right, so I don't want to hear the excuses. All right, you can make as many excuses as you want. How bad do you want it? All right, how bad is your situation right now? Your situation is not going to change if you don't make a change. All right, you got to jump out there. You have to take a leap, man. This is my time. This is Laderick Williams, the multiple stream king, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. And on my team, everybody eats like Zeke. I don't need no cowboy haters. All right, listen, we coming. That's a video for another time. I ain't finna get into that, man. I'll see y'all on the next video. It's your boy.